Again to remind you, what is memory? Yes, he has photographic memory. He has photographic memory to remember what? He has a photographic memory to remember what? Smriti Parishuddha. Instead of remembering ordinary things, it is better to remember some good things. Instead of remembering dirty things, let I remember, God has given me, suppose, good voice. Instead of singing ordinary songs, why can't I sing good songs? Devotional songs. There are some singers in India, very beautiful singers. Those who have never sang any song other than singing to God. Never. You might have heard the story of Haridas. Haridas was a singer living in Vrindavan. In Vrindavan there is a temple, Banka Vihari. Banka Vihari was the presiding deity of Haridas. Haridas' disciple was Tansen. Tansen was disciple of Haridas. Tansen, he was a famous singer. He was a court musician of Akbar. Akbar, the Mughal emperor. He was such a good singer, there is a traditional belief, if he used to sing Meghamallar, a special raga, in the sky the cloud would come and rain. The effect of melody, effect of song. Such a good singer, so much of perfection. Whenever his emperor, Akbar, was praising him, Tansen, so beautiful is your song. He used to say, you have not heard the song of my Guru. My singing is nothing. Then you invite him. He said, he would not come. Why? Many people coming. If you try, he said, why should he come? Why do people come here, or why am I here? Just to think. Some people coming to spiritual path, living in ashram, accepting some colored robes, we forget why we came. What is the purpose of coming? To show some power? To show ego, living in ashram and showing ego? Or to have some easy way to live, or to get some power and to enjoy the world or worldly life? For that, why I have come to this world, or through the ashram, to this life? Have I come for name and fame? When Tansen said, I have come to you only for money, name and fame, recognition, reputation. But my Guru doesn't want all these things. Why should he come? Then if he doesn't come, let us go. He said, even if you go, he might not sing. Then, if you want to listen to him, you should go like an ordinary person. Let not your presence, because he is an emperor, let not your presence show that you are a distinguished person. Go like an ordinary person, sit unnoticed, just listen. And Akbar did that. Haridas is singing. When Haridas is singing, everyone is in trance. Everyone. Everyone is in samadhi-like state. He is singing, tears rolling down. Those who are listening to him, tears rolling down, the impact. Tatstha tat anjanata. Wherever you stay, its effect. So, after that, Akbar came back. Now, singing of Tansen is no more beautiful. Singing of Tansen is no more beautiful.